You know, you gotta act like semi-normal on video. Don't have to act like a fool.
Oh, but the double disc brake.
Yeah, it's got dual disc brakes.
That's really cool. That's something that the other Riding Academy bikes didn't have. They got cool pegs.
Doing stoppies, or I mean, you don't have to have some ridiculous braking. You don't need to talk about rear pegs. They're not for sale for people, so nobody's ever gonna ride two up. These are the new X350s available for Riding Academy programs only. So Riding Academy is the Motorcycle Safety Foundation's basic riders course. We branded as Harley, called it the Riding Academy. So there's some criteria that we have to meet with the bikes, and this is one of the new bikes that meets that criteria. So this is the X350. So it's a fully liquid cooled motorcycle. As you can see on this bike, all the orange on this bike is a protection kit. That way, in the case that somebody were to tip over the motorcycle, drop it, or have any issues while learning to ride, not only is the motorcycle protected, but it also helps protect the rider as well. So you got the protection kit up here, basically serving as an oversized engine guard. Also down here, these are not stump bars. These are to help the bike sit on it if it does go over. Nice thing too is they updated it to an LED headlight up front. We do run night classes here, so having an LED would be beneficial. Most of the Street 500s that we're about to defleet out and put these in for, those only have the halogens. Up front, they also have a nameplate, so that way when the students are out there, when they're in full gear and there's 12 of them, it helps identify the student on the motorcycle. And also, the new redesign is it's got a monoshock. So on the Street 500s that these are replacing, those have your typical, the two shocks mounted on the rear, where this has monoshock. Also, this is a Harley-Davidson that is also chain driven. So the only other chain driven bike we have currently is the Pan America and the Pan America Special. So I mean, and again, you know, the protection kits on it as well is nice, so you can be able to, you know, lay it over. So in the case that a customer does go down or a student does go down, you know, it's got a kill switch in it. All right, so it's sitting down here on the engine guard and on this orange piece on this side, and that way it's not crushing the student, it's not hurting the motorcycle. This is all metal. It's, you know, proper way to pick it up. So this bike is only for Riding Academy purposes, so any Harley-Davidson dealer that is a Riding Academy dealer has the option to refleet with this. It is not quite yet mandatory, so it depends on how long they've had their Street 500s. Our Street 500s are about due to come out anyways, so we went ahead and ordered the brand new X350 Riding Academy bike. Put a little bit of time on it, not too much yet, so we're gonna hop on it and go check it out on the range and see what it's all made of.
So Zach didn't come out with the proper riding gear. It's long sleeves in this Riding Academy that, you know, we have rules and he's just breaking them. Just saying.
It also took Jarvis how many times to pass the Riding Academy to get your license? What's the answer to that?
I look up to you. I mean, oh wait, you recording this? Shit.
Remember the game Skate or Pig playing basketball? You know, you gotta do trick shots. You gotta. It was horse. Or it was horse, yeah. So we're gonna do hog. So you gotta follow and do the same things. So whether it be stay inside the line, stop at a certain distance, you know, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna see if Jarvis, who's been riding for a year, can keep up, since he's got so much confidence.
You get the hot dog. 18 seconds. 5 seconds.
You can't even drive. I thought you were an expert motorcycle rider. You should know how to operate all motorcycles.
With the hazards on. Oh.
Once again, who was your instructor, man?
The great John Wayne.
You're a hoe. Stop right
All
there.
right, so you got one letter left. So instead of slow speed maneuvering and slow speed clutch control, let's do a little bit of speed.
.22 seconds. His second lap was 15.16. My phone's so cracked, man.
Not bad. 11 seconds, Jesus.
Look how far outside he is.
Oh, he's gonna hit a trailer. I think,
15 seconds.
I think,
You'll lose.
I think that means he quit.
I guess he's done. This is Zach, Bert's YouTube channel, Black Widow Harley-Davidson, Barracuda Harley-Davidson, checking out the new RXs, show you a little bit what they can do. If you want to learn how to ride, come check us out, bertsblackwidow.com, bertsbarracuda.com, learn to ride. Take it easy, guys.
Come with us and ride our Mickey Mouse.
The years. These will be taken off soon.